Rich boy said it quick, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy said it quick, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch.
My boy Hatter, what up? What up, John? TP. Bitch.
I never fall. A lot of hoes give me their numbers, but I never call. A real OG, look at VIP and see a nigga ball. Then after we hit the club, baby, I'ma hit them draws. Yeah, I'ma break you off, and that's all. Yeah, gangsters, hustlers, wanksters, busters. Rich boy said it quick, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy said it quick, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac.
I think it's bullish. What is good? What is good? What is good? How are my people? Oh, wait, I forgot to throw my camera up. What is good? How are we doing, guys? How was your guys' weekend? Zealous will drop it. Go figure. Wow, that hurts. Woo. Oh. Fuck, it's under 10 cents. Might be death sentence. Right? It's got to be under 10 cents, I would assume. Oh, it's at 10 cents. The fight to keep this thing above 10 cents is going to be pretty wicked. for close. Why the gap up? What happened? Ooh, they got FDA support. For accelerated approval. That's why it gapped up. Makes sense. So just make sure that you're paying attention to that gap. Wow, look at those dojis. Just right after that gap up, doji, 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 like, interesting. Alright, so, okay, so you got Claude on your regular market, but your pre-market is intact. Interesting. Interesting. Let me turn our narrator on, because I forgot to do that. There we go. There he is. Uh, as much as I hate Robinhood, if they allow like 24/7 trading, it might be a half decent like look. But I like I said, I'm not the biggest fan, as we all know. That's why I got out of it. But we'll see. Could be a mistake. I sold that for NVOS.
So in 10 minutes' time now, we do expect to hear comments from Germany's Chancellor Scholz.
B. Riley lifts Marathon Digital Holdings price target to 8 from 7. Thank you. FOA up 8.7 pre. Good morning, Doc. Happy trading week to you, too. Wow, look at FFIE up 7% after running 25% on Friday. Mr. Bennett, what happened to Excel? Yeah, they had a 200 to 1 reverse split, or 1 to 200 reverse split. Whatever. Canaccord adjust price target on Hut 8 mining to 3 from 5. Reiterates buy rating. So they're calling it still a buy, but they dropped the rating on it by $2. Okay. Interesting. Boil up. Okay. Watch CLNL if the market lifts, because then if the market lifts, chances are Bitcoin will lift, and then, you know, obviously Coinbase should, you know, trail. So just heads up on that. A fucking I up 4.12. Okay, keep on rolling, please. Over 20. Barely, but has it. Pre-market looks dangerous. Too long right now. An opening bell plunge could give a better entry. Yeah, I agreed. Plunge it and a reversal. Let's do it. It's so funny how these things just keep pausing right around that Gann fan line that I drew so long ago. Like, fuck. Like, look. Pause right there. Rejected right there. I don't know. Interesting. Gann fans are real. They work. What's that? I had a little lucky out. He's winning. Whew. TRKA borrow fee. 1.8 million available at just under 28%. Thank you very much, Hatter. GNS borrow fee 180. Only 25,000 shares available. Interesting. Thank you. AI 50,000 available with the fee of just under 11%. Thank you. Whew. What did I want to do? Top borrow fee 80,000. Is there any information out about Top, about when it's going to be dehalted or well unsuspended? Or no? I'm gonna actually do something real quick that I don't want you guys to watch me do. So hold on a second. I am still here. Don't worry. Not going anywhere.
So in just under 5 minutes time now, we do expect to hear comments from Germany.
Nothing yet.
Schultz,
Okay.
just over 10 minutes away. Just under 10 minutes away now. Apologies. Do we expect to hear comments from ECB's Nagel?
Bear with me, folks. Oh, man. Cool beans, okay. Almost done. Let me just do this for a second. One second, guys.
Just bought a Cadillac, those boys selling quick. Folk niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac, took it to the top, got the damn top drop, 2-color flip flop in the red lollipop. Bottles in the parking lot, but I still got my Glock cocked. New money, motherfucker. Don't you see the big knot? Don't you see the big tie? Don't you see the big grills? Wonder who they hating on lately, baby. This him.
My bad. We good. Whew. Mullen's getting some blocks, though, which I'm not really the biggest fan of. Just because... Alright, 129. Okay.
Secured overnight financing rate 5.05% for May 12th, unchanged from May 11th.
Fuck. Mullen trying to bust out. Mullen borrow fee 146%. Whew. Only 5,000 shares available? God damn. I just wanted to go ahead and say that, like, TRKA has Jeffries, and I'm not scared. For anybody that's, you know, curious. NVOS, come on, baby, get up there. Climb that ladder. Shorts will win if volumes weak on Mullen, probably. NVOS, come on, baby. Wow, cap is reading under 19 mil. It's not really reading short. Oh, I forgot to turn my camera back on again. My bad. Mullen has got 130 blocks. Oof. Is this reading the wrong float? Mullen? Anybody?
So good morning everyone and welcome to the US session on financial juice. Just going to go over some sentiment and the docket ahead
Maybe
of
not.
today's session.
Never mind.
So Biden and House Speaker McCarthy will soon provide the clearest indication yet on whether a deal to avoid a historic US default can be reached. So Biden's staff negotiations with McCarthy's office on a spending package to avoid a US default are serious and ongoing, according to the National Economic Council Director Brainard, who reiterated calls for Congress to raise the debt ceiling. So following the March failures of SVB and Signature Bank, Federal Reserve rate setters have become increasingly divided on the projected path of monetary policy. Economists predict that if Biden's nomination of Adriana Kugler to the Fed Board of Governors is confirmed by the Senate, those fault lines widen over the rest of the year. So the docket for today's session then in terms of releases is very quiet. So at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we do get the Canadian housing starts. 11:30 a.m.
Might be
Eastern
worth
Time,
a
we
watch
get the
this
3
spot.
and 6 month bill
BFI,
auction.
okay.
So the US selling $57 billion of 3-month bills and $51 billion of 6-month bills. And speakers for today's session: 8:45 a.m. Eastern Time, Fed's Bostic. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, Fed's Kashkari. 12 p.m. Eastern Time, we get Bank of England's Pill. 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Fed's Barkin. 2 p.m. Eastern Time, Fed's Bostic, and Fed's Bostic again at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And then we do expect comments from Fed's Cook at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So good luck today, traders.
Bostic sounds talkative today, huh? Oh, somebody actually commented on my stuff. He commented on a tweet, and he wanted me to look into a ticker. So let's do that real quick.
We do expect to hear comments from ECB's Nagel. So ECB's Nagel giving a monetary policy speech in Frankfurt.
Why did I do that? Here we go. Okay. Ooh, peep the 4 hour. Interesting. Oh, is that a daily gap? Yes, it is. There's a gap for the gap is kind of small now. It's literally like fucking half a penny. Never mind. Still a small, like, half penny gap right there, though. BNG. Coming off the 52-week low.
So Treasury yields extend to climb 10 years, today's high of 3.5%.
Bill Koksky owns 22.23. UBS only owns 0.08. This is not back that heavy, but at the same time, what are the fundamentals we're reading? Alps borrow fees over 1,000 again? Still? Ooh, look at their earnings that they're putting in. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. They're negative EBITDA. You guys know how I feel about EBITDA margin percentage. Okay, I really don't like their website. Just saying, like unless it's still loading, which it looks like it is, I'm not liking the top page of their website. Multidisciplinary provider of high valued engineered solutions. Okay, serving the energy industry. Okay, Angie offers a full service engineering, fab, and automation suite of services. Okay, that's kind of cool. Combined with a proven track record of excellence and safety. Driving innovation across the energy value chain. Okay, all right, that's cool. All right, the website's starting to look better now. Let's see. Industries. Oil and gas, refineries, energy and renewables, GTL tech, automation, process, power, controls, and then government services. That's pretty cool. Government services. No. No. Go back.
So 5 minutes time now, we do get the Canadian housing starts annualized forecast 220k on a prior of 213.9k with a range of 235k to 194k.
Delivers a full suite of engineering and automation solutions to state and local government education agencies. Interesting. Okay. And then to globally support the U.S. federal government, including the U.S. Department of Defense, so the DoD, fueling systems, the Department of Commerce. Ooh, the GSA. Ooh, Alan's going to like this. So the GSA is who hands out all the government contracts. So everybody knows. Custom designs and installations to upgrades and maintenance are solutions to reduce operational risks and increase cost efficiency, especially for large-scale and critical projects. We've completed complex projects that span across industries from supporting local and critical infrastructure projects, controls, implementation, and threat posturing of cybersecurity assets. Okay. Okay. Guys, I might make a quick video on this if that's okay with you guys. Just saying. Might have to. Just because I've been like slacking in that regard. Okay, so let me throw something up, if that's okay with you guys. It'll be quick, I promise. Go for it. PM is muted. Yeah, PM. Yeah, like whenever it's like pre-market or after hours, like now's my time where I could actually like do this shit super quick. And Bitcoin looks like it's trying to lift too. Let's do this on a daily first.
Canadian housing starts 261 spot 5,261 spot 6k, 261 spot 6k, higher than the forecast of 220k. So that's an early release there of the Canadian housing starts, 261 spot 6k.
Okay. Video time. 1 second. Let me. Yo, yo, yo. As you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. We are going to talk about something called ENG. Here's their daily. They have a very, very tiny gap right here left. Like I said, it's tiny. But nonetheless, here's their daily. It's looking like a nice little cup and handle setup. We'll see what happens. 4 hour. Let's pull that up. The 4 hour wicked to the 200. Came right back down. Okay. I personally didn't even look at these lower time frames, so I mean, this is gonna be surprising to me too. Okay, so we have a gold cross on the 15-minute, and it looks like it's obviously cupping through the 200 and Sonic R. And this is the 15-minute. Okay. As far as data goes, $17 million market cap, 76.23% of the company's on float. That's just over 30 million shares, 30.3-ish. See here. It's not really a short play. As far as fundamentals go, it dipped here as far as revenue is concerned in Q4 of 2022. Not the biggest fan of the EBITDA being negative. However, they're showing that it is supposed to be going positive here slightly Q1. But this is a little bit of a downer on EBITDA margin percentage, which is one of my favorite things to look at. But taking a look at their website, they do offer government services. Now look at this. They work with the DoD, the DOC, and then the Department of Energy, and then the GSA. Now, the reason why it's so important that they work with the GSA is because the GSA is who hands out all the government contracts. Now, what they do is they focus on automating and basically making the like fuel more efficient and things of that nature. So I find that very interesting from an energy point of view because, I mean, everybody's talking, green energy and this and that, but we got to get through what we're going through right now. And if they have all of these connections, ENG seems, interesting. At least to me. You do you guys, though. Best of luck to everyone, and come hang out. We're live. All right. Good enough? I hope. Let me go ahead. I got to post that, though, super quick, as you guys know. ENG. I hate when, fuck, it might not automatically kick me back over to Yahoo search, and I hate that. Oh, I forgot to change my cover photo today. Oops. Bear with me, guys. I know
So
this part
posted
sucks.
the Canadian housing starts annualized April 2023 full report on the newsfeed for those of you that are interested.
What? Today is what, the 15th? 5, okay, 5:15. ENG $ ENG N globe. Oh my gosh. Corp. Energy, DOD, DOE, DOC, GSA, contracts. And ENG, energy, government. Almost done, I promise.
So in 10 minutes time now we do get the Canadian wholesale sales month over month forecast minus 0.4% on the prior of minus 1.7%. New York Fed manufacturing forecast minus 4 on the prior of 10.8, and as well we do expect comments from Fed Goolsbee, who speaks on CNBC.
Almost done. Promise, 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 promise. Huh. Interesting. That'll work. Fuck it. Oops. If anybody could share this or like this, the video that I just posted, that'd be dope as hell. I'll actually drop it in. I'll drop the link right in. Excuse me, right in chat. If it would let me. Yeah. Where's the chat? Okay. The fuck is chat? What the oh, I'm so shot. I'm sorry, guys. Monday morning. If you guys could like that, if you guys could share it, if you guys could throw it in your, like, on stock twits or something, that'd be fire as fuck, and I'd appreciate you guys. Big time. Okay. So here's ENG, the one that we just did that video on. It does look kind of interesting. And, I mean, like, look at that. Like, come on. A little bit of a gap right there, too. First like. No, it says that I have what's called. It says that I have 6. I mean, I don't know. Look at that 1 minute. Interesting. 1 minute has that gold cross, obviously, as well. How the fuck do I get this down? There we go. Can you guys believe that I still never got my new internet stuff? Isn't that crazy?
So 5 minutes away now to get the Canadian wholesale sales month over month forecast minus 0.4% on the prior of minus 1.7%. New York Fed manufacturing forecast minus 4 on a prior of 10.8. And as well, we do expect comments from Fed's Goolsbee, who speaks in a CNBC interview.
You know what movie I watched this weekend that is completely, like, just underrated? Venom. Venom was a really, really good movie. A really, like, solid, like, Marvel movie, and it just doesn't get talked about. However, now I have that Eminem song stuck in my head. So that's a slight issue, but it's okay. C3AI, let's go. C3AI, are you gonna be a fucking rocket today? I hope so. If C3AI goes off today, right? Like say that C3AI can just like has that like consistent upwards trend like it usually does. Watch out that Coinbase and Snapchat don't do the same exact fucking thing. I'm telling you guys. Be very, very vigilant of that. Okay, because last time that Coinbase and Snapchat moved upwards pretty, nicely, and I know Coinbase just did, AI shortly followed thereafter. Just saying. Bitcoin trying up at the 48. The first one was good. I was highly disappointed by the sequel. I actually didn't even watch the sequel. What the wait, well, how does Disney Plus not have the sequel? Whoa. How did I not even know that? I didn't even know they... How did I not know that they made a sequel? What the fuck? Because I really like Tom Hardy. Tom Hardy is one of my favorite actors. Not sure, but it might be a little too scary for kids. Well, it should still be on Disney Plus, right? You'd think. Mine too, and Woody as well. The plot was... Whoa. Whoa, wait. Whoa. What are we talking about Woody's for? What are we talking about Woody's for first thing in the morning? I'm glad that you said not sure if it might be too scary for kids right before. But then you hit me with something about a Woody. Ooh, guys, sticks at $3. Woody Harrelson played car. Oh, okay. All right. You're over there talking about Woodies and stuff, you know. Got check.
With the New York Fed manufacturing.
Semantics, please. SCIX. What the fuck? Oh, okay. I guess we'll go all the way down there. This right here is a closely guarded secret of mine. And I really only cover it when there's not too many people in here, just because I don't have as heavy of a position as I want. Only 13.24% of the float is on of outstanding shares is on float.
Minus 31.8, minus 31.8, low in the forecast of -4. Canadian wholesale sales month over month, 46%, 46%, high in the forecast of -0.4%.
So it's really not a short play.
So taking a look at the markets and downside movement in the Dixie.
Good, downside in the Dixie. Love to hear it. On a fundamental basis, they are growing as well. EBITDA margin is down. That's like the one thing that I'm not the biggest fan of.
Also seeing some downside movement in the Canadian dollar following that release there.
We're gonna look at their website though, real quick. Six stock, because I want you guys to understand why I like them so much. And they're out of Brazil as well, so I mean Latin America, everything's gonna be kind of cheaper there right now. Yeah. Transform your business with advanced machine learning and generative AI.
Gains after the New York Fed manufacturing data. US dollar extends gains.
State-of-the-art platform.
Will last down 0.331%.
So basically, it's a company that will go ahead and help you create machine learning to make your business better. Trusted by over 300 clients worldwide. Is there like a list of clients? Because that'd be fucking ideal. Let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to find a list of their clients. Why am I zoomed out so far? What the fuck?
Ed Scoresby says the FOMC continues to watch data before the June meeting.
Investor relations. Okay, so their gross margin on the 8th of May increased 43%, which I like that. I do want to see their partners, though.
So ECB's Calvino says, I'm confident the ECB will take the right decisions. Fed Schoolsby saying a lot of impact of rate hikes is still in the pipeline.
Ooh, Semantics 7 days ago on Seeking Alpha. Interesting. This is a stock that's usually low key, by the way. Like nobody ever talks about them. So they put out a press release that's 7 days ago. They already have 70 existing partners on board currently. And then they've worked with over 300. The new program will categorize partners into 4 groups, each with different approaches and benefits. That's kind of cool. A significant lever in scaling our business and helping our customers reach new heights. With our redefined partner categories, we will be able to provide tailored benefits and work more closely with each of our partners. The program is a win-win for all parties.
It does not feel like a 2008 type of crisis, but it feels like some stress in some parts of the financial sector.
Semantics partner communities are being categorized as Semantics partner, sales partner, implementation partner, and independent software vendor. Okay. Alright. Fuck it. I personally like them. Doesn't mean you guys have to, but definitely do.
Fed Schoolsby says the effects of banking stress is not small. We need to take into account and sit and watch it.
Homeboy sold just under 250,000 shares on the 31st of March. However, he still owns almost 13% of the company. This guy sold just under 200,000 shares. However, he still owns 6.3% of the company. Keep in mind, this is a company that I called out down here. So now at these levels, it would make sense for them to sell after they quad it.
Fed's Bostic, who delivers welcoming remarks at his bank's annual financial markets conference on Amelia Island in Florida.
I don't really care what analysts say, but I'm going to look anyway. So analysts have it at 425. You guys know how I feel about analysts, though.
Says I don't think the impact of the bank turmoil on GDP is small. We should be extra mindful and want to get inflation back to target path without starting a recession.
So Davidson has it at 10 from July 22nd. And then everybody else is just kind of just, you know, consensus. This is Davidson again. They've raised, or they brought down their target, but it's still $1 above where it's currently trading. And that was on the 29th of March. C3 AI trying to bust up. Bitcoin to the 200. Let's go. Let's have ourselves a fucking day, guys, huh? What are we thinking? Added GNS. Looks like shares are being returned. Got it. Woo, baby. I'm feeling good today. I don't know why. I feel real good, guys. Feeling real good. Give me 1 second. Let me switch dogs here. Take me like 10 seconds. Come here, buddy. That's a good boy. Alright. Bella, your turn. Go ahead, baby. Bella, eat all the food here. Here's more. Alright. Good, buddy. Go eat. Sorry. Talking to the pups. Can somebody let me know if NVOS does something, please? It'd be greatly appreciated if you would. We're still in the 102s on DXY. Buzz VXRT daily chart looks like a nice couple of days swing trade. You know, I don't like most pharma plays, but this one is highly shorted and above all the MAs except for the 200 on the daily. Okay, let's look. I don't like how DXY is moving upwards like that though. We want that down. VXRT. VXRT. Oh, I like Vaxart. No, I like Vaxart. Hold on. I've liked Vaxart for a while. I made good money on Vaxart.
Scoresby says the May rate hike for me was a close call.
If this is the same stock, then right before, or right after the C word or like that rip, then this went up quite substantially, and I did pretty well on it. Hold on a second. Let me see. I think this is the same one. Hold on. Yeah, yep. I did very, very well on this stock before. Yeah, I did very, 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 very well on this. So I bought this after the C word, right? Or during the C word. I bought this in here somewhere. Like I saw that it went through the 200 on the daily, and then I wanted to wait for some, you know, obviously like some follow through. And when I started to see green again right in here, that's when I bought it the first time. And then I actually ended up holding it for quite a while. And I think I sold it in here. So I didn't top tick, obviously. But I started to feel like I was getting greedy, and I ended up selling it in here. So, like, yeah. Obviously not a top tick, but...
At 8:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from
Good gainer.
Stick, who delivers welcoming remarks at his bank's annual financial markets conference.
So I did from like about like I did from like 130 into about $9, give or take. Again, didn't top tick at like the $17 range. But I'll take it. Ooh, I didn't realize there was a high right there too. Hold on. And it's been down since. I do like Vaxart though.
So just seeing a correction via the wires here for the Canadian wholesale sales month over month. So it's not 46%. It's actually at minus 0.1%. A major mistake there. Apologies. So again, it's minus 0.1%, not 46%.
Okay, I like Vaxart. But I think that they started to lose money. I think, and that's why I stopped. That's why I pulled out. Hold on. They started to like. I think that like it wasn't trending in a good direction that I liked, which is why I pulled my position. Let me just look into it again. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not too privy to what they actually do, but the chart piqued my interest. Yeah. No, they actually did something pretty cool when it came to like what they do, which is why I like them. So they're about 14% short on 100% utilization. Let's see who the holders were. I forget why I like them so much too. Fuck. State Street owns 1.77. BNY's in it. 2 Sigma's in it. 2 Sigma's in it twice. 2 Two Sigma Investments is their first largest, and then Two Sigma Advisors is their third largest. So they have two in the top, whatever. Oh, New York State Retirement Fund. That's probably why I liked it. State Street's in it. Give me 1 second. Oh, California Teachers. This is probably another reason why I liked it. Blackstone is in it. Alternative, whatever. Interesting. Yeah. That's probably why I liked it, because teachers and they had Teachers, State Street, all that kind of shit. Let me see. We'll do analysts and fundamentals super quick. Analysts have it going up to $8. You guys know that I don't really like the analyst views though. It's more so for capital raising, I think. P-Balti 4 hour. Okay, I will ASAP. Okay. I don't like their earnings right off the rip. And this right here is why I did. This is why I sold them, guaranteed.
Expecting comments from Fed's Bostic.
Bostic is going to be talkative today. From what he said earlier. Somebody came in here and disliked my video. Fuck you. Let's see. EPS. It's hard to make a measure on that. EBITDA margin percentage, that's ugly as fuck. That's better, but still ugly. They're just not making enough money. That's the only issue. I mean, it could still fly, don't get me wrong, but... And I do like that break on the 4 hour, but yeah. Alright. Good morning, Devil. Alright, you want me to look at the ALTI 4 hour? Okay. ALTI 4 hour. I wouldn't hold it, but I do like momentum. But I do like the momentum it's got. Word. Oh, well, thank you very much for liking the video. Sean, yeah, just watch out on your resistance. You know what you're doing though. Guys, all right. So for those that don't know what they're doing, right? Watch what it does at the 48 EMA here on the 4 hour. We are gonna peep their daily though. The daily has room right there. There is a death cross right through the Sonic R. There's a death cross right there on Alti. Alti's Chinese though, isn't it? It's a financial services company which engages in the provision, investment, advisory. Oh no, headquartered in New York, New York. Okay. Interesting. Let's look at the data real quick. ALTI. But we'll call it 2.7 short on 74 or 73.5 utilization. Holders. I don't know about you guys, but this just seems like it's setting up for crime. Like, alright. I don't want to sound terrible, but look at their names. Look at the date that they all added, and look at how much they own. It just seems like it could be a pump and dump setup, but we'll see. I mean, it looks like they're expected to bring in good revenue, but All right, so for quarter one, they reported 61.3 million in revenue. But for being headquartered in New York, I don't like how I'm not seeing any data in here. EPS was positive. I mean, that's obviously a positive thing. But I don't like how I'm not seeing anything about EBITDA margin percentage. EBITDA is green, slightly, but I don't like not seeing a percentage. And how much are they worth? Let's see. They are worth $363 million. And only, here's something that I do like. Only 35 point, we'll call it 35.3. Only 35.3% of the company, or 20.5 million percent, is on float. And that is due to these mother effers who own that much percent of the company. Like, they own a hefty chunk, it seems like. Alti. Interesting. And on the daily, obviously, it's coming. It looks like it's trying to come off that bottom. I mean, we'll see. We'll see how it goes today. I wonder if it's gonna get hung up on that 4 hour. I wonder if it's gonna get hung up on the 4 hour 48, or if it's just gonna obey this more so and move up towards that, like 48 and the 200. Definitely going on the watch list if it's not. Yep, not on the watch list. On the watch list now. Thank you, Sean. Boyle's ripping. Congrats if you guys grabbed this in like the 270s when like we were basically yelling it. You were absolutely smoking it. C3AI push. Go ahead, babe. This was called out. Devil, you called this out, right? TIVC. They're having a good PM sesh. I can't believe AUD fell like that. Oof. Whoa, what just happened to GNS? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. My calculated decision may have worked. And that calculated decision, in case you guys are wondering, is that companies look at C3AI, I love it. Companies that have been going into votes, like as prominent as what GNS is like their vote is like lining up to be.
I posted the live video to Fed's Bostic on the feed for all those interested.
So with these stocks that have been coming up like to votes, they've been dropping prior to the vote. So what my idea was is I planned to pick up GNS. I wanted to see if it was going to hold $1, and if it doesn't hold $1, it could get really, really sloppy. At that point, I'm going to DCA. Well, I'm not going to DCA. I'm going to re-enter, and then I would DCA from there. But that was my theory. If it turns around, I mean, obviously it's going to invalidate my theory, and I'm going to be wrong on the trade, but so be it. That's what trading is, right? Calculated risks and rewards. AI squeeze. I'm in AI for the long haul. If it squeezes, so be it. That's actually, we could pull up AI's data. AI does have squeeze data, though. It does, like, the short interest was there as of last week, at least. But we are talking about a $2.18 billion company. Oh, C3. Yes. All right. So C3 AI prelim data is exceeding the guidance. So that's awesome. Oh, they filed an 8K. Hold on a second. Hold on. SEC, or we gotta go to the SEC. They filed the 8K. AI. On May 15th, they issued a press release announcing prelim audit. Okay. All right, so here's the data here. Let's see. Prelim. Okay, all numbers are unaudited. Da, 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 da. Let's see, total revenue for the quarter. Exceeding company guidance. Okay. Net cash provided by it was 28. Positive free cash flow. Yeah, okay. Exceeding guidance. All right. What is this? Okay. Overall business environment for enterprise AI is more active than we have seen in the company's, or since the company's inception. Love it. Oh, okay, wait. All right, they're talking about conversions. What is this? Alberta Treasury balances, the Chief Digital and Artificial Intelligence Office, expansions at Shell and Koch, very, very big. Department of Defense Rapid Sustainment Office, that's huge. Con Ed, huge. Exxon, huge. Missile Defense Agency, enormous. Defense Counter and Intel and Security Agency, huge. New York Power Authorities, Baker Hughes. Our partner ecosystem is increasingly effective at opening new doors. We are particularly active with Google Cloud, AWS, Microsoft, Baker Hughes, and Booz Allen. Who else would you want to be like actively, in partnerships with than these three companies? Please name them. There's gonna be nobody. And then along with the government stuff, C3 AI is a gem, in my opinion. Let's look at the shorts. Yep, 31.17% short on 100% utilization. Cost to borrow is reading on Ortex as of right now at 1408. I should honestly do a video on that too. Fuck. Hold on. I gotta put out more videos, guys. I'm sorry. It's something I gotta do. Alright. So that's 4 hour. That's that. Okay. We're gonna do a super quick video. Yo. As you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. Please like and sub. We are going to look at C3 AI. This is my favorite AI play. Cap is $2.18 billion, 80% of which is on float. That's just over 90 million shares. Short, 31.17% short on 100% utilization. Cost to borrow is only 14%. They did just put out news. They beat, or they're expecting to beat. It's unaudited, but they are exceeding their guidance. What I found very, very interesting was the fact that they are opening new doors, quote unquote, with Google Cloud, AWS, Microsoft, Baker Hughes, Booz Allen. I mean, they're talking about application in the Air Force in here. I highly suggest coming and just reading this full document. But, I mean, we're talking about a lot of key partners. Like, look at this. Artificial Intelligence Office, Shell, Koch Industries, Department of Defense Rapid Sustainment Office, Exxon, Missile Defense Agency, New York Power Authorities, others. You know, I mean, it's very interesting in my opinion. Here's their chart. Here's their 4 hour. Here's what I would do, and I'm not going to be able to draw this because if I draw it, you're going to see like a metric F ton of lines all over the chart. But picture a line from about here through this, because this is engulfing, and I like to go right through engulfing things sometimes. Picture a line from this touching that red. We'd be close to breaking that bull flag if it was drawn like that. Like, but if I do this, you're going to see that. So, like, I can't draw it. Fuck, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to draw it. Here. Hold on. Oh, wrong button. My bad. Let's see.
Effective Fed funds rate 5.08% May 12th versus 5.08% the day before.
There we go. All right, so it's actually breaking it right now already. Now this is a 4 hour, keep in mind. And that's a 200. We'll break it down a little bit. Hold on a second. Look at the 15-minute. I don't know. Gold cross right there on the 15-minute. You guys do you, but I'm already long, and it is my favorite AI play. Come hang out, guys. We're live.